person to go, and then you can go home and sleep in the sun. Bed? Whatever. Okay. Can you write this down, please? You just started wrong.
Of course we can.
When?
In 30 minutes. Can you write the title down, please? Thank you. For ODEs. Hi, son. Yes. Your friend.
Can we next chapter?
No, we cannot next chapter. I think it's easy. Maybe you don't. Okay. Can I start now? You have this written down? Hi, so.
Yes.
Did you write the title down?
Yes.
Okay. So I see you're on the granola bars now as well. Is there anyone now who isn't eating granola bars?
But I have a new one.
Oh, do you?
Not chocolate, not honey.
There's something in between.
I have.
You have it?
Yeah.
Which is the best?
I think the honey.
Guys, I've got a news flash for you. I don't know if you know this, but when you talk about them like this, you seem like losers. I just thought you should know this. Like, yo, dude, what granola bars did you get? I got the honey one. So cool. It's damaging your image. Yeah.
3 or 2 or 3.
Yeah. Yeah, I heard. Yeah. All right.
Well, we can pick it up.
Guys, please stop being losers. Can we continue? Right, so a little bit of vocabulary. Does anybody remember the name of this symbol? Proportional. Proportional. And does anyone remember what it means?
When this increase, this decrease, when this decrease.
But there's more precise meaning than just that.
It's a direct relationship.
What the heck does direct mean?
Yes. Do this to this, the other happens.
To that.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
Etc., etc. Proportional means when you double one, the other is also doubled, or if you half one, the other is also half. So, for example, if A is proportional to B, and you multiply the A by 2, then the B also gets doubled.
Yeah, what you were saying wasn't much difference from what you just said.
No, because just because there's a direct relationship doesn't mean the relationship is linear. So perhaps the doubling of A causes the other one to multiply by 4, quadruple. An example would be if I have a square and you have length and area. They are in a direct relationship, but the relationship is that when the length doubles, the area quadruples. Okay? Yeah.
Quadruples or squares?
Quadruples if the length is doubled. So, the question is, how can we go from a proportional to an equals? Not so difficult. So, if you want to go from proportional to equals, you can
With a constant.
by using a constant. So, in other words, proportional goes to equal like this. Proportional. I think that is worth writing down since I put it into a box. And in maths, things in boxes are very important.
There was a movie.
Yes,
The guy pulls out the gun from the guy who he's fighting.
yes.
The guy he's fighting is holding the gun. He kicks the gun from the other guy's hand. The gun goes like this and falls, and his blood is going. And he shoots the gun. Bollywood.
What movie is this?
I don't know what movie it is, but like it's an Indian movie. Bollywood movie.
A Bollywood movie.
Like Bollywood.
Yeah, so that part didn't need explaining in the story, okay? Right, next. Does anyone know the meaning here? The rate of change of something, we'll just say blank.
Differentiation.
Yeah, that means let me just call it y. That means the derivative of y, but what variable on the bottom?
What?
What do I put on the bottom? No, dt. So the use of the word rate means time. Now, if you don't want that, you would say it like this. Rate of change of blank y,
With respect.
yes, with respect to blank x. That is dy dx. So, here are two pieces of information you need.
He wants me to sleep so that he can abuse me when I'm sleeping.
Ambassador Omar would not be such a thing.
Do you like it? You know what's sad? They will finish the offer.
Also done.
Oh, the offers always end. Is it over?
No, but like they will finish it fast. It's like it's for stock. Once the stock is out.
Yeah, correct. Oh, they'll finish it sooner because they're all buying it now. You should stock up while there's some left. You know, put them in your suitcase or something. Alright, did you write these two definitions down? Yep. So now that we have that vocabulary covered, we can have a look at some practical problems. Oh.
I actually took the box of the house.
What?
I have a small box. I told it to become a box.
How many boxes do you have?
It's like just this is the box.
Yeah. So how many do you think are in it? How many
What?
boxes?
Packages of
Yeah.
box. I mean, yeah, I lost count. Look what I got you from Ireland.
Traditional Irish meal.
Why is that funny?
You're stealing his idea. Don't do that. Right. Let me see. So, I am going to do a question here. Let's see. Yeah, something like number 2. Can you please write this down? Yes, practice English. I want you to write this down, please.
Oh.
All. Yes, all of 2, please. Come on, Yusuf. It'll only take you 30 seconds. Just write the question down, please. No, there's no thinking, it's just writing. The rate, go on. Lee, I definitely want you to write this down, the question. Write question 2 down. Write all of these words in your copybook. It will be good for your English. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, what is water in Polish?
Water. Water. Watero. What?
Woda.
What are the ODEs?
That includes you, Mr. IOP 7.5. I wanted the right question now. You did? Nice. Could you just poke Lee to make him move faster? Are you writing this down, Lee? Go on, did you write it down? Yusuf? Yes?
That's why we have to write it down.
To practice your English.
I also don't know.
But I'm going to help you now. Okay, Faisal.
I'll show you my
The FYI is 7.5 just because I was sleepy.
Yeah. Yeah, if you really took it, it'd be 8.5, is it? Yeah. Okay. May I please do this one? Faisal. Please. I don't want an Omar situation here. Can you... What?
nothing.
Okay, we'll go on. Can you just put the laptop away, please? Thank you. Now, we are going to read this together and change the words into an equation. So, beginning. From the rate of change of y with respect to x. What's that?
dy.
Very good. So we have dy over dx is equal to the value of y squared. Yep.
Y.
Very good. When the value of y when x is 0 is 0. So that means we have 0, 0. Now, does this problem look familiar? Yes, that was the previous lesson. So what is the name, Omar, do you remember the name of the method for solving this? I only mentioned it once. Does anyone remember?
Oh.
No, that's the name of the problem. The method for solving. Separation of variables. So I have 1 over y squared dy equals dx. Y minus 2 dy equals dx. Integrate, y minus 1 over minus 1 equals x plus c.
What is this?
What's wrong?
1 over y
Yeah.
square, never mind, continue.
No, I don't understand.
He made it minus 2. But the minus is
Oh,
not shown.
okay, I don't see the word.
I'll wait for you to catch up.
But he didn't say it either, so
Yeah.
continue.
Continue? Yeah. So now, this becomes minus 1 over y equals x plus c. So 1 over y equals minus x minus c. So y equals minus 1 over x plus c. The same thing. If I put this in, I get 0 equals minus 1 over 0 plus c. Which is wrong. It's ridiculous. I made a mistake in the question. I will need to change this now. I'm sorry. This should now really say minus 1. So this means c equals 1. And we have our answer. What? Can I do a harder one now? Yes? Not yet? Okay. Now?
No.
Now? What about now?
You writing that O and minus
Huh? Here? Here? Oh, here.
Yeah, O and
I
minus.
changed the question.
Yeah, so the vowel was going to be Y.
Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you, Fuang. I meant to say -1, 0.
Yeah, so you also have to change the
The
vowel.
You have to change the I.
Oh, here.
Yeah, there's something to be changed.
Yes, I know. Hang on, let me think. No, the x is 0, the y is -1. No, it's right the first time, sorry.
Okay, then change the Y.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That should be -1, thank you. Continue? Are we just waiting for Fuang? Yes, we are. I'll give you 5 more seconds and 1 sip of coffee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and a sip of coffee. Next, in chemistry, have you done reaction rate?
No.
No, you haven't.
Not in this one.
But you have done it before.
Yeah.
Right. Let's have a look at question 4. Yes. So, the reaction rate is defined as the rate of change of concentration. Omar. The reaction rate is defined as the rate of change of concentration. So, reaction rate is the rate of change of concentration of A. So what would this equal then, Yusuf? What do you think? Yeah, give it to me as mathematically. Remember what rate means. Yeah?
dA over dR.
Ooh, no. Thank you. dt. Yeah. The reaction rate is proportional to the level of concentration. The reaction rate is proportional to the level of concentration. So, Andrew, would you know what that means as a formula? The reaction rate is proportional to the level of concentration. So what would that be?
dt proportional.
Yes. dA dt. Yeah.
Proportional
Yeah.
to A.
Yeah. That the reaction rate is proportional to A, but we said the reaction rate is dA dt is proportional to A. But how do I drop the proportional, Yusuf? So I want to make an equal here.
Besides the A.
Yeah, so I get dA dt equals K concentration of A. So now all of a sudden I've changed this law into a formula, and this law is called the first order reaction law. But as a formula, this is it here. Have you studied the first order reaction law before in chemistry? No. But have you heard of it? No. So this is new. You will do this in chemistry eventually.
concentration.
We did this in chemistry.
Wow.
You know what the solute is? Solvent. No, don't use that.
Look, you have water.
Yeah.
You
put
put,
something into it.
you put 1 spoon of salt in the water. It is not concentrated. You put a big cup of salt in this water, then it is fucking up man.
What is the, maybe this will help. What is the unit for concentration?
Moles per volume.
Moles per liter is concentration.
The amount of something.
The MR.
Yeah.
Not MR, no.
No? Oh, that's molar mass, is it?
Oh.
The amount of something in a liquid.
It's like molar density.
Yeah.
Never mind, it's not really important actually for the math. Okay, so what? What I want everyone to do now for me, now that I've made this, I want you to solve it. You don't need to find the C because I haven't given you the information yet. So I just want you to leave C and K in the answer. I want you to solve this. You should be able to solve it. It's what we did in the last lesson. This, a formula, I want you to get A equals here. Oh guys, you're making that face, the face that says you don't understand when you should understand. Solve for A in this. If it helps, pretend. Okay. Got a solution for A? Anybody?
Log A?
For what?
No, it can't be log A. Can it? Log A equals A?
Log A equals A?
Yeah.
No.
Oops. dt equals what? 1 dt equals what?
What? You tell me. When you integrate, what you get?
T?
Yes.
You go back to T. Okay, I got it. Et. A equals et.
Almost, but where's your C?
Plus C.
And where's your K?
Over K.
This would not be good enough for the exam.
A equals e power t over k plus c.
Let's do it now. Right, guys, look up. Look up. So we have 1 over concentration of A, dA, equals K, dt. Because I can swap this and this. Now I integrate. What do I get here on the left? It's like 1 over x dx. Very good. Log A. And on the right?
T. kt.
Kt?
Plus c.
Do I want log A? I do not. What do I want?
A.
So I should...
E.
Very good, children. A equals e KT plus C. Let's clean that up more. A equals EC EKT. E is a constant. Agreed? C is a constant. So therefore call EC just some constant, let's call it A. 0. It's just a constant. So now we get concentration of A equals A0 EKT.
Why did we call it?
Don't have to. Call it B if you want.
Why did we name it?
Because it's easier to find this than it is to find this. It's easier to find this. Yes?
I'll leave it the same way.
I would not. No. Because what would happen next in part 2 and A? I would say something like A equals 3 molars at the beginning, and then A concentration equals 1 molar 1 minute later.
But that's, we have 3 unknowns.
This is semester 1. Yes. Yes, now it's semester 1. Now you can use this to find the A and the K. I think some. What do you mean not really?
We have 3 unknowns.
No, you do not. You have 2 unknown constants.
What are?
A0 and K.
And T.
It's a variable.
But you're still not giving us anything. Okay, you're giving. Yeah, okay, never mind.
That requires 3 sips. Oh. Can you, as a revision exercise semester 1, find A0 and K now, please?
A0 is 3.
Yes, good. Now find K.
Is it 1 over?
Is what? Just do it. Yes. The Nike ad from the 80s. Just do it.
I was thinking big.
There was a funny pronunciation meme. Will probably only work for the people with the 6.5 IELTS, but it was a picture of Michael Jackson, and then one of those Adobe dot PDF files, and on the left it had, this is a PDF file, and then on the right it had, this is and you can finish the rest of the sentence yourself. You got it.
Picture of Michael Jackson?
One was a picture of an Adobe PDF file. Huh?
It's under 18.
Oh, that's true, yeah. Yeah, that's true, so, yeah. No, it said, this is a PDF file,
Yeah.
and then beside Michael Jackson said, this is and I'll let you finish it. I'll give you a clue. It sounds like PDF file.
Okay.
No, not for you. You got it. You? No.
No, that's it.
Is it related to a Michael Jackson song?
It's it's related. Well, it's related to Michael Jackson and the criminal case against him and so on.
PD file.
Yes.
It's too late, Andrew. I'm disappointed.
Ah, come
I
on.
could imagine it at first, but when you said criminal case,
Got it now. Yes. So, anyways, the caption was pronunciation matters. It's important to know the difference between a PDF file and, you know.
Like a
Yes. Yes. They will explain it to you later. It would be inappropriate for me to explain it. Still funny though. Yes. They'll explain it to you later. Yes. Wait, no, you're... That's okay, yes. Right. Did you get the K yet?
Do we have to change one minute?
No, not necessary.
Here's one.
No. If you did change it, that's okay too. Yeah. Did you change it? Yeah.
In the class?
Yeah. If for physics we should change it, but for maths we don't need to.
No, last one is also in math.
Yeah, we used to go to
Yeah, then we have to.
We should. It's better to do it. What did you get for K?
Minus
Seems kind of small. Oh, because you changed it to 60 seconds. Yes. Okay. Did anyone not change
I
it?
changed the ones I got one.
It should be a negative. Right, let's have a look. Everybody is happy that A0 is 3.
Finish the PDF.
If not, it will be minus 1.098.
Let's see. Guys. Is everybody happy that the... Guys! Is everybody happy the A0 is 3?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So now we put this piece in, and we get 1 equals 3 EK. So then 1 over 3 equals EK. So then log 1 over 3 equals K. What's that, please? It should be minus, yeah? 1.1? Okay. So then we have A concentration equals 3E minus 1.1 T. Now, if you graph that, what type of graph do you get? Time in minutes.
And exponential graph.
And what type of exponential graph?
Minutes.
No, sorry, what's the symbol M for moles per liter? Yeah, starting at,
Yeah.
what number here? On the y-axis?
Minus.
No?
What?
No?
3?
Yes. Because remember, it's 3 at the beginning. And then after 1 minute, what is it at? Here? 1. Yeah. So this kind of makes sense if you think about it, that when you have a concentration, it's for some reaction, the level of concentration is exponentially decreasing. I mean, maybe it makes sense to some people. That's not a linear decrease. It's faster than linear decreasing for a reaction. Yes? No?
Yeah, that's fine, but the graph, according to translation, we're multiplying the y-axis.
By 3.
Yeah.
And it originally crosses it at 1, because E0 is 1. You don't get to my position in life with not knowing a few basic maths. Okay, so you can see the big difficulty with this lesson is not really the maths, but changing the English in the question to a maths problem. But of course you know that this is the problem with practical problems from semester 1. Yes? Now, if we look just at the next lesson briefly, this lesson and this lesson, these are the last 2 lessons I think in the chapter. Once those last 2 lessons in the chapter are finished, then you can start the coursework for maths. How many more maths lessons do we have this week? 3. So what we'll do is we'll have 2 of them to finish these 2, and the third one is of course a tutorial.
How did you miss this?
A tutorial. And in physics, when do we have physics again?
Tomorrow, I guess.
3 hours.
We have 3 hours of physics tomorrow?
No, 2 hours.
2 hours, and then on Friday? 1 hour. Would you prefer to do your presentation on Thursday or Friday?
Friday, please. Because I won't be.
But how many people want to do it?
I won't be here for Friday.
Okay, how many people want to practice their presentation in physics?
In the physics lesson,
Yeah.
so we're still having 2 lessons of math in the morning.
Just answer my question. How many people want to practice the physics presentation in physics class? 1.
2.
2. Do you prefer Thursday or Friday to do it?
Right.
Friday.
Then we'll do it on Friday.
Would you take attendance on Friday?
Of course, I take attendance every day. It's very easy to remember one name. It's going to be Yahya or Fuan. You were absent earlier.
This morning.
Remember the piano?
But, and I also tell you that it's better even have class in the morning and in the evening than in the afternoon.
That's true.
Because I always do that.
See you tomorrow.